Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by priming the body and committing to a clear entry. Start with mobility to free your shoulders and hips, then practice slow baby windmills to learn the rolling path. Place your lead hand near your chest and the trail hand at a 45 degrees angle to support balance. Rock slightly onto your shoulder and kick your legs in a V to create rotational torque. Once done, feel the axis between shoulder and crown of head so you can push into the full rotation safely. You now focus on continuous rotation and efficient mechanics. Drive with the leading leg, extend and snap it through to generate momentum while the other leg follows in a circular path. This leg action is your motor. Keep your torso diagonal, shoulder aiming toward the opposite hip, which maintains a stable tube-like axis for smoother spins. Once rotations are consistent, practice brief hand transitions every 1 to 2 spins to redistribute weight and prevent dragging. Make sure to conserve energy by relaxing neck and breathing evenly as you flow. You finish by controlling the deceleration and returning upright. To exit, clamp your legs together, pull them in to reduce spin, tuck slightly, and roll out onto your feet so you stand smoothly. If you stall mid-spin, add a stronger lead leg drive or widen your V to increase centrifugal force. Alternatively, shift the trail hand earlier for a stronger push. Make sure to use a shoulder pad or practice on a mat with a spotter while learning. This prevents injury and lets you push intensity without fear.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.